Did you know that over 60% of people trying to lose weight struggle with breakfast choices that keep them satisfied while still supporting their goals? And here's the kicker: many end up either starving by lunchtime or overcompensating with snacks, but it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 incredible vegetarian breakfast ideas that are not only delicious but will keep you feeling full and energized, all while helping you achieve your weight loss goals. Hey everyone, a certified nutritionist and fitness coach with over 10 years of experience helping people optimize their diets and fitness routines for sustainable, healthy living. I've been there myself, struggling to find the right meals that keep me energized and lean, and now I'm here to share what I've learned with you. Whether you're new to vegetarian eating or a seasoned plant-based foodie, these breakfast ideas will take your weight loss journey to the next level. So, what can you expect in today's video? First, we'll dive into the importance of a balanced vegetarian breakfast for weight loss. Then, I'll walk you through 5 easy and nutritious recipes, breaking down each ingredient and explaining why they work. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what to eat but also why it's crucial for your weight loss journey. Here's the thing. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to lose weight is skipping breakfast altogether or relying on foods that don't provide sustained energy. When you skip breakfast, you're more likely to snack on unhealthy options later in the day. On the flip side, sugary cereals or pastries might taste good but lead to energy crashes and cravings. The result: weight loss stalls and frustration builds. Have you ever felt that post-breakfast energy crash, or maybe you find yourself reaching for a sugary snack around a.m., wondering why you're not losing weight despite your best efforts? These breakfast choices directly impact your metabolism, energy levels, and ability to burn fat efficiently. I had a client who always skipped breakfast thinking it would help her lose weight faster, but she was always tired and overate later in the day. After we switched her to some of these healthy vegetarian breakfasts, she felt more energized and started seeing real progress. So, how do we solve this? The key to a successful weight loss breakfast is a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This combination helps you stay full longer and stabilizes your blood sugar, which means fewer cravings and sustained energy throughout the day. And the best part, you can get all of this from a delicious vegetarian breakfast. Let me show you how. Overnight oats are a game changer. Packed with fiber from the oats and chia seeds, plus antioxidants from the berries, this breakfast will keep you full until lunchtime. Rolled oats, chia seeds, almond milk, mixed berries, honey optional. Step by step, combine oats, chia seeds, and almond milk in a jar. Stir, refrigerate overnight, and top with berries in the morning. Avocado toast with a twist topped with cottage cheese and pumpkin seeds. Avocado provides healthy fats, while cottage cheese offers a protein boost. Add pumpkin seeds for crunch and extra fiber. This is a satisfying and nutrient-packed option. Whole grain bread, avocado, cottage cheese, pumpkin seeds, salt, and pepper. Greek yogurt parfait with nuts and seeds. This parfait combines protein-rich Greek yogurt with the healthy fats and fiber from nuts and seeds, helping to curb your appetite for hours. Greek yogurt, mixed nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, fresh fruit, vegetable frittata muffins. Packed with veggies and eggs, these frittata muffins are high in protein and perfect for meal prepping. You can make a batch at the start of the week. Eggs, spinach, bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, olive oil. Green smoothie bowl. This smoothie bowl is filled with greens, fruits, and plant-based protein. It's light but filling and perfect for a quick breakfast. Ingredients: spinach, banana, almond milk, plant-based protein powder, chia seeds, granola. Let's break this down scientifically. When you eat a breakfast high in fiber and protein, your body releases hormones that signal fullness and slow down digestion. This is crucial for weight loss because it keeps your blood sugar stable and prevents insulin spikes, which can lead to fat storage. Focusing on whole foods rich in fiber, healthy fats, and protein not only aids in weight loss but also improves gut health and overall well-being. These vegetarian breakfasts are ideal for anyone looking to maintain a healthy weight and support their fitness goals. Let's visualize the macronutrient breakdown of these breakfasts. Here's how a serving of overnight oats compares to a typical sugary breakfast cereal. You'll see that it has significantly more fiber and protein, and it's a lot more filling. And if you're someone who likes a morning workout, these breakfasts will give you sustained energy without feeling too heavy. Imagine doing your morning run or yoga session after a nutritious breakfast like the Greek yogurt parfait. I'll display the nutritional information for each breakfast on the screen so you can easily compare. See how much protein and fiber you're getting in each one, and how they can fit into your daily needs. It's easy to fall into the trap of quick, unhealthy breakfasts when you're in a rush. But with just a little prep, like making overnight oats or frittata muffins, you can have healthy meals ready to go, even on busy mornings. Remember, consistency is key. If you stick with these breakfast options for just a couple of weeks, you will start noticing more energy, less hunger, and most importantly, the weight loss results you've been looking for. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to healthy breakfasts? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what challenges you're facing and help out with more ideas. If you found these recipes helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with friends who might need it, and subscribe to my channel for more health and fitness tips. Summary and recap. 3 4 minutes host recap key points. Just to recap, today, we covered 5 amazing vegetarian breakfasts that can help you lose weight while keeping you full and satisfied. Overnight oats, avocado toast, yogurt parfaits, frittata muffins, and green smoothie bowls. Each one is packed with the right nutrients to support your weight loss journey. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Try incorporating one of these recipes into your routine and see how your body feels. If you want to grab the full recipe list and a downloadable meal plan, check out the link in the description below. I've also linked some of my other videos with meal prep ideas and workout routines that will perfectly complement these healthy breakfasts. Be sure to watch these next videos for more healthy meal ideas and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. In my next video, I'll be sharing a full day of eating for weight loss, all plant-based and easy to prepare. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. And let me know in the comments if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover next. I always love hearing your feedback.